Well, it's the morning after a long night of hardly any sleep. I'm showing you the video here of the storm, the heavy rain. They've had tornado watches all night, and it's going to continue to go on through the day today. The rain is just like coming down in buckets, and as you can see, it's nowhere to stop. So I'm hoping that I still got my electric, which is a miracle. Thank you, FPL. And that's about it. I just wanted to show you how bad the weather is here and the rain. And I'll post this on YouTube and my Facebook page.